Today we are performing bandobast for Vaikunt Ekadashi festival purpose, and on 8th very unfortunate incident happened in Tirupati in ticket counter, and we are very regret for that incident. Total bandobast force, all things were in place, and total that ticket bandobast purpose itself we have deployed more than 1500 police personnel, and today bandobast purpose we are deploying other 1000. So total we deploying to 24 police personnel for bandobast purpose, and that force deployed or assigned particular duty for Vaikunt Ekadashi bandobast purpose or token bandobast purpose, not at all diverted anywhere. There is no dearth of force. Yes, that incident happened because of unexpected surge of crowd, and sometimes because of error of judgment. So we are verifying all these facts also, and from police side we are assuring all of you that we are here to safeguard you. Sometimes don't be in fear that if they are going for any religious function or anything, that is exceptional issue that happened, and for that we are very much regretful, and we are doing course correction also, and uh, we are investigating case also properly, and whomsoever is responsible we are fixing up responsibility also, and bandobast, yes, there is no dearth of force on the day of token distribution 8th, and today also there is no dearth, no shortfall. Whatever bandobast on in why I am addressing, because I am range DIG of this thing, and 6th, 7th, 8th we perform bandobast for Kuppam, and 8th, 9th, 10th, and continuously up to 19th we are performing bandobast for Tirupati. So we were well aware about that two uh, events are there, so we planned properly. Whatever bandobast is drafted for Kuppam, that was different. Recruitment purpose 6th, 7th we were having recruitment, that bandobast was different, and 8th onwards this ticket distribution purpose, that bandobast was different. So there was no shortfall or no dearth of force on the day of incident. But yes, that incident happened because crowd was there and they were waiting for token or ticket. We are still analyzing reason for opening of that gate, and whether that was opened in a proper manner or precautionary measure before opening of that gate taken or not. All these things we are verifying, collecting information from all sources, so that such type of things should not ever happen in future.
You have any CCTV footage?
We are just collecting. We are all, that only I am saying, we are collecting all information, and all technical or other type of evidence we are collecting, so that we can do two things. One is proper investigation, second thing is course correction also, so that in future that should not happen. That we are collecting. Not only CCTV, sometimes our persons are taking, because mobile phone is also available with us. So if anyone has any footage, please share with us, so that we will have proper idea also.
Police had collected in CCTV footage.
Huh.
Already police had given the CCTV footage.
Huh.
You checked them yesterday.
Huh.
What report?
No, that only I am saying, it will take some time to give all these further details, you know, because we have to cross check all these things and we have to collect from all sources. Then only we can inform you, because when things are under investigation. If anyone has, please give us. Okay.
మరి ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగినప్పుడు అక్కడ పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారండి?
Almost 90%.
90.
90.
ఒక డిఎస్పీతో పాటు పాటు 90 మంది
हाँ total. Even vigilance side also they are there. So force was there. No, no, excluding police 90.
అంటే ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగింది 8:30కి ఆ సమయంలో ఉన్నంత 6 మందే ఉన్నారని చెప్పేసి భక్తులు చెప్తున్నారు.
No, no, that is one thing. Total that particular Ramanaidu, that center to that particular area, total 90 police personnel were there. 2 special party also there. 2 special party with rope, they were there.
అంటే హోల్డింగ్ ఏరియా పెట్టిన పార్కులో పోలీసులు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా లేదా?
No, police was present there. What I am trying to say you that opening of gate created issue. So that we are verifying reason for opening of that gate. Second thing, whether before opening of gate proper precautions have taken or not. Because see, normal thing is there when crowd is more in number and suddenly we are allowing crowd to any particular direction, it will be just like a flood water only, suddenly coming. Suddenly surge will come. That all things we are analyzing and verifying and doing course correction also. That is the issue.
అంటే టోటల్ కౌంటర్స్ 8 ఉన్నాయి తిరుపతి.
8.
అక్కడ పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది ఎంత అవసరం ఉందని టీటీడీ మీకు ఏదైనా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసిందా?
See,
కావాల్సిన బందోబస్తు ఏర్పాటు చేయమని చెప్పేసి మీకు ఏదైనా లెటర్ ఇచ్చిందా?
yes, that is normal procedure. That is every time they are following, and this time also they followed, and we also provided force. That only I am saying. Almost that particular 8, almost 1500 police personnel were deployed for this year Tirupati Bandobast purpose.
అంటే నిన్న సీఎం గారు చాలా స్పెసిఫిక్గా చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే మీకు ఎంత సెక్యూరిటీ అవసరం ఉంది, ఎక్కడ పెడతారు, కొత్త ప్లేస్లో పెట్టినప్పుడు తీసుకోవాల్సిన ప్రికాషన్స్ ఏంటి అన్నది మీరు పేపర్ రూపంలో ఏమైనా ఇచ్చారని చెప్పేసి టీటీడీ అని అడిగారు. మీకు అలాంటిది ఏమైనా వచ్చిందా రాలేదు?
So that see, one thing is there. See, this particular bandobast is always